ladies and gents to Cobra Exhaust in Sheffield. My name's George from Sintered Media, and today I've been invited down by the team to not only take a look behind the scenes and see how Cobra operates on a daily basis, but also to take a very close look at a new exhaust system that the team have been developing recently. We'll go and take a look inside, meet some of the team who's going to give us a little bit more background again on Cobra and this particular system. But yeah, without further ado, let's get inside and we'll catch up with you very shortly. So what we're going to do now is a little quick fire question round as such with Josh, who again I have no faith in scoring very well in this. So every question he gets right he's going to get 5 points. Well, I think it'd be quite amusing if you ended up on minus. So every time he gets one wrong he's going to lose 5 points as well. So no pressure. So first one is, what is difference in weight? So obviously we've measured the weight of the stock system in comparison to the Venom that's currently on the car. What's the weight difference? 2.7 kg. That's correct. So well done on that one. 5 points. Question number 2 is, what? Oh, quite punchy, isn't it? So question number 2 is, what is the diameter of this particular system? 3 inch. 3 inch. There's no 5 points. Bonus point if you know the stock diameter. 2.5. Are you sure?
You're making me question yourself now.
Nice, correct. So well done. So a little bonus point for you there. So we are what, 15 points?
15 points.
15 points. This isn't going how I wanted it to go, really.
Good step for keeping my job, isn't it?
So yeah, prize at the end is Josh is allowed to keep working at Cobra Exhaust. What else have we got here? Whoa, I don't believe you're going to get this.
Go on.
How many different options of tip do you get? So obviously it's quite popular now to sort of change through different colours, style, cuts and so on and so forth with your exhaust systems. Actual tip, the nice bit that we all get to look at.
I'm going to go with 3.
You sure?
Carbon fibre, black and silver.
That's correct again.
Oh,
yes,
oh,
well done.
Or a complete guess as well.
No way. Right, now again another bonus point. How much, you're never going to get this right. If you do, I'll be impressed. So how much more money is the carbon fibre option?
£160.
Anyone would think that you actually work at Cobra.
Well,
this is
I turn up
sensational. Right, so last one. Overstock, do you know, at 4,000 RPM? So that's obviously, if you haven't seen, just a minute ago we did some sound checks. We always do that before, after, and then through the different range of systems. So overstock, what at 4,000 RPM is the increase in decibels over standard?
I was revving the car, so I didn't see the sound decibel thing either. I'm gonna go with,
stab in the dark.
I'm gonna go with 8.
8. Oh, I don't know if to give it you or not. 8.5.
Oh,
I don't know. Do we give it you?
Yeah, go on.
Nah. Yeah. All right. Fair enough. So full house. That's quality. So Josh, well done. You can come back to work tomorrow morning. Unfortunately for probably half your colleagues, to be fair, how they get anything done is beyond me. So yeah, just a general sort of sweep. I'm just now going to throw down the middle all of those particular answers to the questions and so on, so that if you've just missed some of that, you can sort of run through the specs, what the exhaust system offers you and so on. So we're now back at Cobra HQ. Josh is going to run us through a little bit of the all-important development process and basically explain sort of, as we mentioned before, you've got your Mk4 through the door. Where do we go from there? At what point do we start the process at?
So we'd get the car up on the ramp, we'd measure all the underneath of the current system that's on it, take the current system off, and then our R&D manager would start getting to work on looking at flows, increasing bore sizes, see what we can run underneath the car, as in what will actually fit, and what will help with the flow of the actual gases that are coming out of the engine.
So obviously that's the initial phase of your development process. How long is your process? So generally, once you've got that car in, you've done the initial work, how long are you going to need to keep a car?
So if we're working from the ground up like we have on this Focus, we've had this one in for 4 weeks. So in the 4-week process we have to draw maybe new flanges, put it all into our roamer arm that scans the bends in, and that makes it so we can put those programs into the bending machine so they can be replicated time and time again as many times as we sell it, and also make sure we've got the right back box for it, make sure the noise sounds right. There's loads of different elements that all go together to make a perfect system.
And that's generally a 4-week process?
From the ground up, so on this one, with us starting from the turbo and coming all the way back, this has took around about 4 weeks.
So if you, I mean, like generally, do you always try and go from turbo backwards, or?
Depends on the car, depends what it sounds like.
So sometimes you'll do development work strictly for catback.
Or, we've done a lot recently, GPF-Deletes, sometimes we might just look at downpipes, sometimes we'll just look at GPF-Backs, catbacks. Depends on the car what it sounds like for factory really.
So that's the end of today's video. Now if there's anything you feel that we've missed within today's video, please do make sure that you contact the team here at Cobra. We'll leave all of the contact details in the description of the video on the post that you're viewing this on. Now again, all of the information on the system that you have seen today will be available on the website, so do make sure you click through the links below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.